Chips. These aren't the giant processors that run your computer, but smaller, highly specific chips that have one main job: translating data. Their most famous products are the USB to serial converters. These tiny powerhouses take the modern, complex language of USB and translate it into simpler serial protocols like UART, which many microcontrollers and industrial machines use. It's the essential missing link for so many projects, but they don't just stop at the chips. FTDI understands that a great component needs great support. That's why they also provide a whole ecosystem around their hardware. This includes developing the software drivers that your computer needs to recognize and use their chips. When you plug in a device with an FTDI chip inside, it's their driver that makes it just work without you having to fuss with complicated setups. They also create fully assembled modules and cables that have the chips already built in, which is perfect for prototyping or for people who don't want to solder tiny components onto a circuit board. This combination of hardware and software is what makes FTDI so powerful. They've thought through the entire process from the perspective of an engineer or a maker. They know we need reliability. We need something that is well documented and easy to implement. Their chips are famous for being robust, and their drivers are known for being stable across different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. This focus on the complete user experience removes a major headache from the development process. It lets us focus on our creation, not on the tedious task of debugging a connection. Essentially, FTDI provides the fundamental building blocks for modern connectivity. Think of it like a standard set of screws or a specific type of gear. When you know you have a reliable standard component, you can design around it with confidence. Whether it's a single chip, a development module, or a finished cable, FTDI creates the pieces that allow for a smooth flow of data between the new and the old. They are the nuts and bolts that hold our increasingly complex digital world together, and they make it accessible to everyone. Now let's look at the cool new stuff. FTDI isn't just sitting back with their classic designs. They are constantly pushing the boundaries. A fantastic example is their FTX series and H series chips, like the powerful FT4233HP. These devices are built for the modern era of USB. They support higher speeds and, more importantly, the new USB Type-C and power delivery standards. This means a single cable connected to an FTDI chip can not only transfer data at high speed, but also intelligently negotiate and deliver